How to fix Google Play service keeps stopping. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through guys a step-by-step process on how you can fix if your Google Play service keeps stopping. First thing you need to do is make sure that your Play service is up to date. To check, you can go over to Play Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom, and go to the search icon at the top and simply search for Play service. And from there, you can find Google Play service over here. Tap on it. So as you can see here, Google Play service provides information for other apps and helps Google apps stay up to date. Now, it will automatically be updated, so you don't have to manually do that. Once that is done, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Apps. And from Apps, all you have to do is find Google Play services. So I'll just keep scrolling here until I find Google Play services. Tap on it, then go ahead and tap on storage. Try to clear cache. If you want, you can also clear data, but all of your data will be gone and you need to log back in again. I'll just leave it as it is for now. Go to permissions. Make sure all of these permissions are allowed as well. Go back and you can try to force stop the app. And then finally, once you have done all of that, if none of this works, you can just uninstall the app and reinstall it back again. Doing this will make sure that your Google Play services will keep running and it won't stop. And finally, long press on the power button, tap on the restart button, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next